Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to walk slowly on Roblox. As you can see right now, I am currently inside Roblox. This is actually Brookhaven. So there are two options to do this one. Once you're inside Roblox, simply click on the escape button, like so, and then hover your mouse on the settings option. You'll see this movement mode. On default, it's on keyboard and mouse. So if you want to switch it first on the click to move. Once you're in click to move, you need to right click on the pavement or the road to move. For example, I'm going to do so right there. Do it as near as possible so you're going to walk slowly. So basically, this is not actually walking as of now, but we are running or walking in a very small place. So technically, it's walking slowly. Now, to make it a little bit more smoother, you're going to require a controller with this one or a joystick. To do so, escape again, click on settings, and make sure you change it to keyboard and mouse. Once you're on that one, go back and then connect your controller with the joystick. Just toggle your joystick a little bit upward to move a little bit. So this is not actually doing it right now. I'm still waiting for my joystick to load. Anyway, just push the joystick a little bit to the up or rather forward to move it a little bit further. And that's how you walk slowly on Roblox. Basically, the key point here is the settings right there. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.